Good morning, everyone. I just wanted to make a quick video here showing you how to send the videos via the Dealer Socket app in the email. So what you do is you're going to click on the Sales app to open that up. This is your DSA app on your phone. Now along the bottom here you're going to see that little person. If you click on that one, that'll actually bring up all of your open opportunities. So I'm going to scroll down to John's opportunity, click on him. Now from here, up here, you've got a couple of different options for texting, calling people, or emailing them from your phone. If you click on the email, it'll open up your email, and then this little attachment paper clip up here, and it's going to ask you if you allow it to access your photos. Of course you will. Now here you can send pictures or video. If you click on the film, it's actually going to open it up so you've got a video now. It'll limit you to 30 seconds. You just hit the record button. Once you are done with your video, for example, if I start the video, you can see my little timer. Once I'm done with the video, I can choose to retake it if I didn't like it, or I can hit use. If I hit use, it will already attach that onto the email. I hit done. And then down here I can choose my subject, write that, I can type my message, and then of course you can send the email and that will all be attached and everything will be good for you there. If you have any questions, John Silva.